In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to make your video black and white in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have it in Premiere Pro. We have our footage in here. So if you want to make it this black and white, it's real simple. Go into the Effects tab. If you don't have it, go into Windows and then click here on Effects. And then you should now have it here somewhere in your workspace. Now, you want to search for Lumetri Color, which is this effect. So you want to drag it into your clip. And from here, all you have to do is go into basic correction. And now you would want to go into saturation and set it into 0. And then here we have it. We now have it in black and white. Now, if you don't like this, then you can simply adjust the saturation to get the black and white effect that you'd want. And you also have other settings that you can mess with in order for you to achieve your effect that you'd want to, like the highlights and shadows. Additionally, is that you can go into creative, and from here is that you'd be able to go into the look, and from here you could go for a lot of presets right here. Like for example, here in this one right here, the Try X, you'd be able to see that right here, and then you can set the intensity on how much of this look you would want to appear or to be applied or mixed into your footage. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.